Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to take you through what I eat in a day. First thing in the morning, I eat a teaspoon of ghee. I love the warm, nutty flavor of ghee in the morning. It takes me back to my school days when my mom used to make sweet gulab jamuns fried in ghee. It is so cool how instantly our brains can transport us to these sweet little connections associated with taste. For breakfast, I'm going to have a mango and a katori of pomegranate. Most of the morning, I eat breakfast as fruits, and since they lack protein content, I do get hungry pretty soon, and hence I have a mid morning snack. When I sit to de-seed pomegranate, I do fully and store it in a airtight container and consume it within a day or two. I usually make raita with curd and chaat masala with pomegranate and they taste really yummy. You should give it a try. Sometimes the best tasting food are simple food with less ingredients. One such recipe is this horse gram fry or mudira purku, which we call it in Malayalam. This was something my nani and my mom makes frequently when there is a time crunch, and I absolutely love it. First, boil the horse gram for 2 whistles with salt and turmeric in it.
Behind the topic, I'm going to be asking a lot of the whys, hows, whats.
Next, for tempering, add coconut oil, mustard seeds, roughly chopped garlic and onion. Saute it well. One of my friend who has done hotel management said once it is always better to saute onions in low flame, taking the time to get the sweet flavor. Once it is sauteed well, to this I am going to add crushed red chili flakes and grated coconut and fry till the coconut is slightly toasted. Just keep an eye while you're doing this because the coconut can get burned quite quickly. Final step, add the boiled horse gram and mix well. Serve after 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to mix well. For South Indians, nothing we cook is complete without curry leaves, and it is one which I always forget to add. Typically, curry leaves are added in the first step when mustard seed is added to the coconut oil. This gives the burst of flavors. Honestly, this is the first time ever I'm going to taste a tiramisu, and this is how tiramisu tastes, then I am really happy. Vishal is a big coffee lover, so to give him company, I have started appreciating the taste of coffee. I think coffee is an acquired taste. What do you think? Well, tiramisu had two parts. One was whipping the cream in one bowl and other mixing the mascarpone cheese, sugar and vanilla essence. There are so many versions of tiramisu. The one I decided to make was without eggs. Finding the mascarpone cheese was so difficult. While many of you suggested alternatives like cream cheese, paneer, in case you don't find mascarpone cheese, then you can give these alternatives a try. Third part was simply dipping the ladyfinger biscuits into the coffee liquid. It was quite simple to put together. Anything to do with whipping cream and layering is so satisfying for me. It completely calms me down. I had a taste of this ladyfinger biscuit. It's not exactly like a crunchy biscuit so to say. They are more of a dense yet melt in mouth texture. But yes, I think coffee lovers can enjoy it just the biscuit out of the packet. I used to buy desserts from outside or order in through Zomato, while recently, due to the lockdown, I explored the joy of making desserts at home. Now, whenever I am feeling low, I start baking or make a simple dessert like this. The big change is from eating sweet when feeling low to making one and sharing with loved ones. After tasting the tiramisu, I have decided to make it this Christmas or during winter time cause this silky sweet dessert is really a cozy one. I had this one piece of tiramisu and had to take another serving. This was my dinner today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I promise to see you in another video soon. Till then, take care and enjoy little things in your life.